Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new to this channel. My name is Sasha Kuznetsova and today I'm going to be making natural lip gloss from scratch. So let's get right into it. For the ingredients, we're going to need castor oil. This is a great oil to add shine to your lip gloss. We're also going to need jojoba oil, coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, beet juice powder, some beeswax, and I'm going to use Rose Absolute in jojoba oil. So let's measure our oils. 8 grams of castor oil, 4 grams of jojoba oil, and 3 grams of coconut oil. And 2 grams of beeswax. And then in a different container, we're going to measure half a teaspoon of beet juice powder. I prefer to use beet juice powder instead of beetroot powder because it makes the lip gloss much less grainy and more smooth. And we're also going to add 2 grams of vegetable glycerin. Give it a stir. We want to make sure that our beet juice powder mixed well with our glycerin. And we're going to keep mixing it until it has this thick, sticky, viscous consistency. And it looks like this. And then we're gonna place our beeswax oil part into a water bath, and we're gonna let it sit there until beeswax is fully melted. In a few minutes I like to give it a stir because I believe it helps to melt the beeswax faster. In about 10 minutes, our beeswax melted, and now we can take this mixture out and cool it down. And here I like to give it a stir again because I think it really helps to cool it down faster. It took about 20 minutes to cool it down, and it looks almost like Vaseline at this point. And now we can mix in our beet juice powder mixture. And just start mixing it until it's all mixed in with the beeswax mixture and it has a nice even consistency. At this point, I'm gonna add 5 drops of Rose Absolute in jojoba oil, and I'm just gonna give it a nice stir. But this step is totally optional. I actually like the smell of beads in my lip gloss, and a lot of the times I don't even use any fragrance in it. But for this recipe, because this essential oil is mixed with jojoba oil, I decided to add 5 more drops of rose oil. But if you're using pure essential oil, you probably don't need more than 5 drops. Alright, it looks like we're ready to jar our lip gloss, and I'm gonna use this 1 ounce jar because I ran out of lip gloss jars and that's just what I had available. But feel free to use any packaging that you like. This is what our lip gloss looks like. And it feels really good on your lips. Well, that is all for today, guys. I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Otherwise, stay well and I will see you next time.